Unit 3, Story, page 38, Exercise 2. Listen and read. Write true or false. The new kid.
The children are playing on the playground. A girl is sitting alone. "Who is that?" Izzy asked. "I think she's a new student," Julie answered. "Oh no, she's crying. Let's go and say hello." "Hello, I'm Julie." I'm Samantha." "It's nice to meet you, Samantha. Are you new?" Liz asked. "Yes, my family moved here 2 weeks ago," Samantha answered. "Why are you sad?" Izzy asked. "I'm alone. I don't know anyone," Samantha answered. "Don't cry. Do you want to play with us?" Liz asked. "Yes, please." "What are you playing?" Samantha asked. "We're looking for monsters. If you find a monster, you score a point," Julie answered. "That sounds fun." Samantha joined them. The children laughed and played looking for monsters. They climbed the trees and jumped in the leaves. Samantha picked up some leaves and shouted, "Look, here's one!" Liz laughed. "That's not a monster, Samantha. That's just a worm." Samantha dropped the worm. Everyone laughed.